Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. This is 𝒐𝒏𝒕. Welcome back once again. In today's video will be more informative and more helpful to you and me too. Because of today I'm going to discuss about one of the most important topic, that is tense. We know that if we want to speak in English, we need learn some grammar. So among this grammar, tense is the most important topic. So I always uh, dislike, or I always neglect grammar, but without tense you cannot make sentence properly. It will be not correct. That's why I'm decided that I will talk about tense. So not all tense. We know that English has 12 tense, but for speaking we need just learn 5 or 6 tense. So among these tense, today I would like to talk about the one tense, that is present simple tense. Also most of the people they call it present indefinite tense. Basically I would like to um, continue this journey because of I'm a beginner. I could not speak properly. That's why I took this decision before. That is, I will make a video, at least one video in a day. If I can't make a video in a day, I will make every other's day. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to speak in front of you. So present simple tense, before speaking, before going to the main part of this video, I would like to tell you why I am here and why I am trying to speak in English and why I am trying to build my confidence. Actually, most of the people they know that English is an international language. Also, it's a very powerful skill. If I can learn English, I definitely will be benefited everywhere, and I know this. So I live in a village. You can see I live in a village also. There is a tin shed house, so no problem. So places does not matter to learning English. The matter is that confidence and dedication and patience. So I have a patience, I have a dedication, and I have a confidence that I will one day I will be able to speak in English spontaneously one day. And this is my ultimate goal right now. So I'm recording this video to improve my English. So most of the people they know that recording is a good practice. Recording and to share things in front of camera or speaking loudly. That's the main actually resource to improve English. You know that speaking is a communication is a skill. It's not about learning. It's not about actually writing or just listening something. If you listen more, definitely your brain automatically will be flexible to deliver your speech. But if you can't speak, if you don't train your brain by practicing, your brain never give you the proper direction or proper solution. Okay, that's why I'm recording this video. I have no another reason. So I know that in this video I'm making so many mistakes or grammatical pronunciations, so many mistakes. So mistake is a part of learning. Also, I believe these things. That's why I do not fear to making mistake. Most of the people they afraid to start. I know that starting is a good try. If I cannot achieve my goal, definitely I will learn. If I can achieve my goal, that means I will be a successful person. If I don't try, definitely there is nothing happened. Okay, so I hope that I told you so many things for a reason why I'm starting this journey. So let's dive into our topic. Our topic was tense. That means present simple tense. Present simple tense is very simple. We know that it's a real or a recent activity. Like for example, it's actually a habit and general truth. Okay, so if I want to talk about my habit, what is my habit? My habit is I record video regularly. That means it's a habit. Also, we can say that is I go to school regularly. This is for students, but not mine. I can say I teach my students regularly in the morning. It's my habit. Also, present simple tense we use for sharing something general truth, like the sun rises in the east. That means it's true. It was happening in the past, it is happening right now, it will be happen in the future. That means it's a truth. So let me share with you the structure of present simple tense. The structure of present simple tense, that is subject, verb based from plus object. We can say plus extensions. You can as you wish. So but if you use third person singular number, for example he, she, it, as a subject, we have to use bar plus s or es plus extensions. So you have to remember these things. If you use third person singular number as a subject, you definitely have to use bar plus s or es. Okay, so there's the thing. For example, I told you that is the sun. The sun, that means the sun is third person singular number. I have to use the sun rises in the east. Okay, the earth moves around the sun. That means it also truth. Okay, I'm using here the earth moves. I use here yes. Okay, so you can make this type of sentence by using present simple tense. Today I don't want to long this video because I'm a beginner, so I'm not teaching you. Definitely I just sharing my opinion with you. If you are enjoying watching this video, you can watch, otherwise you can skip this video. I'm not forcing you. Okay, if you want to improve your English like me, you can start like me. Okay, that is my opinion. If you are interested, if you are actually fascinating to learning English, you have to start first of all, and then you have to practice like in front of my camera. Like now I'm practicing in front of my camera, and definitely you have to practice in front of camera, or in front of me, or in front of some people, or in front of audience, whatever. Just practice just saying in English. Okay, before 2 or 3 months ago, I was a very beginner. At that time, I could not make one sentence. Definitely, my brain, actually, my head does not work. My brain was full of stock and freeze. Right recently, I'm realized that I can make so many sentence just thinking. Okay, that is the result of practicing. I'm practicing English for the long time, at least 1 or 2 months ago, but it was randomly. But recently, I'm trying to practice my English regular basis. That's why recording this video. So I will record another day again a video about present continuous tense. So that's the way of learning English. Take care. Bye bye.